Easeworks is a leading HR outsourcing provider that offers a range of services to employers, including HR management, payroll processing, employee benefits administration, and risk management. In this case study, we will examine the cost of a typical PAGA claim in California for an employer. The Private Attorneys General Act, PAGA, is a California state law that allows employees to sue their employers on behalf of the state for labor code violations. In essence, they file a class action lawsuit against their employer. PAGA claims can be costly for employers, as they can result in significant penalties and legal fees. According to a study by Seyfarth Shaw, the average settlement cost for PAGA claims in California is $485,000. Canna Rose Realty Holdings is a small business with 85 employees that provides retail services. They had an employee who worked for them for 3 weeks. He claimed that he wasn't paid breaks and meal period penalties. Even though he was actually paid correctly, he filed a PAGA claim against Canna Rose Realty Holdings, plus added a kitchen sink lawsuit claiming discrimination, retaliation, emotional distress, COVID, and OSHA violations. Canna Rose Realty Holdings was not using Easeworks services at the time of the PAGA claim. They were forced to settle the claim for $125,000 and spent over $70,000 in attorney fees. Despite paying 95% of their employees correctly, it's almost impossible to be 100% accurate all the time. If Canna Rose Realty Holdings had used Easeworks services, they could have avoided this costly settlement and legal fees. Easeworks' HR specialists team works closely with clients to ensure compliance with California labor laws and reduce the risk of PAGA claims. Easeworks would have provided Canna Rose with a free HR audit, which would have uncovered these errors. Canna Rose Realty Holdings' costly settlement and legal fees could have been avoided if they had used Easeworks' HR outsourcing services. Easeworks' HR outsourcing services provide employers with the support they need to manage their HR and risk management needs. In this case study, we saw how Canna Rose Realty Holdings could have avoided a costly PAGA claim settlement and legal fees if they had used Easeworks services. Contact Easeworks today and get a free HR risk audit and protect yourself now.